Hi everyone, today I'm going to change the engine cover gasket for Chevy Cruze 2011. It has almost 140,000. I will leave you a complete details about the tools and the socket that I'm going to use to make it easy for you. Here's the tools that I'm going to have. I will be having the engine degreaser, screwdriver, and a torque theory and drill machine, and definitely the most important, the socket 8mm. That will be very helpful for opening the car. I used to have leaking from this part of the engine, and not only that, I used to have a very bad smell that comes to the cabinet. The leak was from this part. Looks like there's some cracks on the gasket, so the smell and the oil goes all the down, touches the manifold of the exhaust, and this will cause the smoke comes to the cabinet. So we'll start taking all the parts around it. To change that, I have first to open the cover. First of all, with the engine degreaser, and this will clean up the area where I'm going to work. I just sprayed the engine. I'll start taking all bolts around the cover from out and in. So to free and get more easy to remove the cover. It's very important to be careful because you don't want to break it. So it's simply just push the. So guys, I have to start removing all these parts from around the engine. Plus I have to remove these two torque theory bolts. We'll move this part. Then after that, we will start removing the torques here. There is 11 bolts at the outside, as well as 4 bolts from the inside we have to remove. Open it this way. As you can see here, this is a casket that we are going to remove, but I just want to show here very close. It looks like where the problem I used to have, and the leak was. So this caused the leak because it has already cracked. I'll make it closer. So this is the main issue that I was having it. So I'll start moving it. This is to clean all the dirt from the previous. So this is the casket that I'm going to use right now. I'm going to fix it inside as from all corners first, as you can see. So guys, gasket already fixed on the cover, and all this engine already cleaned up. So I'm going to fix it back. Try to set it up exactly at the same location where the bolts find their own place. Looks it fit. So guys, let's do it first by little tie by our fingers, making sure that screws are set on the right place. Then after that, we start tightening up as it was. We fix this one back as well. And return the harness as it was in previous. Looks it's ready. Turn back the cover. Looks like everything is fine. Hopefully that will work. Looks fine, it works fine. Finally, everything is working fine. So, wish you best of luck with this project. As you can see, the cascade clean, so everything is looking fine.